Everyone says Hall effect keyboards make you faster, but do you actually need one? Here's how they work. A regular mechanical keyboard uses a physical switch that clicks or presses down to register. A Hall effect keyboard uses magnets instead. There's no physical contact point, so the keyboard reads exactly how far the key has traveled at any moment. That opens up something called rapid trigger. On a normal keyboard, a key activates at one fixed point and resets at another fixed point. With rapid trigger, the key reactivates the moment it starts moving back down again. In games like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Apex Legends, and Delta Force, that can make counter-strafing and repeated movement inputs feel noticeably snappier. Keyboards from Wooting, Razer, SteelSeries, and Asus ROG all offer this now. But here's the honest part. Rapid trigger won't fix your aim, boost your frame rate, or close the skill gap. Competitive players may genuinely notice a difference. Casual players, single-player fans, and people mainly typing probably won't. Also worth knowing, some games restrict features that automatically handle opposing directional inputs, like snap tap or speed tap. Always check the rules for your specific game and turn off anything restricted. So, do Hall effect keyboards give a real competitive advantage, or are they mostly hype?